Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing luxury choices for you. Would you rather build your ultimate luxury suitcase with dreamy fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. Which suitcase fits your energy best? A cute Hello Kitty suitcase, a cool Stitch style fun, or one with creeper case? Next up, choose your travel headphones. Which ones are coming with you? Now let's add some tech. You get to pack one laptop. Which one will it be? Your seat's booked, but there's only room for one travel buddy. Will you bring a kitten, a puppy, or a cute bunny? Your passport needs a cover. Which one are you picking for your world tour? What phone is coming with you on this adventure? Pick your favorite phone case. Stitch, Hello Kitty, or the SpongeBob style. Now choose your charger. Which one is always ready when you are? You need a camera. Pick one that turns moments into memories. Here comes the subway. Which ride are you hopping on? Quick challenge. Comment your dream destination, your favorite food, and your favorite season. Now let's pick your shoes. Which one matches with your style best? Looks like you need more space. 1, 2, or third one? Pick your travel sunglasses. Which pair is coming with you? Which Crocs will you walk in? Make your choice. Time for socks. Would you rather choose pink, green, or purple? What kind of slippers fit your style? Ready for a challenge? Can you find a stitch that's different from the rest? Time's up. The different stitch is right here. Your summer is starting now. Hello Kitty waves, Stitch slides, or a SpongeBob adventure. Choose one travel toothbrush to come with you. Which hair dryer makes the cut? Pick your tile. Now pick your favorite bag. First, second, or third option. Time to choose your sleep mask. Which one fits your vibe? Let's travel in style. Are you taking the Hello Kitty yacht, Sonic Express, or the Minions Airways? Now it's time to eat. Mozzarella sticks, pizza, or tacos. First flight of the fantasy trip. Where are we landing? Santorini, Paris, or Switzerland? Let's find you the perfect villa. Which one you pick? Pick the bedroom you'd never want to leave. Pick your travel mission. Like this video, comment your birthday, and hit the subscribe for more fun challenges. Now choose your dream living room. Which one matches with your vibe best? Cook under the stars. What's your perfect open-air kitchen? Three inflatable pools. Only one wins. Which one are you jumping into? Choose your Starbucks. Left, middle, or right? Now the big moment. What kind of creative house do you own? Time to level up again. Gaming lovers, which PS5 are you taking? You only get one game for life. Which console gets it? What view would you never get tired of? Make your choice. Choose your loungers. Which one looks the comfiest? Which dining room feels just right? First, second, or third option? You now have your own mega pool right in the center of your villa. Which one you want? Caffeine lovers. Which coffee maker makes perfect coffee for you? Bonus round. Remember the position of every food and drink. Now, where was the pizza hiding? Did you say number 4? You got it. Now pick your toilet. Yep, even that matters. Next up, toilet paper. What's the VIP setup? Massage chair showdown. Which one gets a spot in your living room? Now choose your pet. Cute puppy, adorable kitten, or a nice little hamster. Even pets need luxury. Pick the house that fits their cuteness. Now let's pick your fun room. Which one you want in your house? Which staircase leads to your dream home? First, second, or third option? Now pick your car. Which one you taking on ride? Make you choice. Now let's pick your sofa. Which one looks relaxing to you? What kind of home theater you want in your dream house? Pick one. Pick your dream front yard. Option 1, Option 2, or Option 3. Choose the swing chair that's calling your name. Now, let's pick your garden. Where would you plant your piece? Time to pick your balcony. Which one gives you most beautiful view? It's a doorbell time. Which one you want in your home? Book lovers, which home library you want in your dream home? Feeling thirsty? Which water bottle you pick for stay hydrated? Final choice. Which candy is the best? First, second, or third? That was amazing luxury suitcase adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.